are we going, Dave?
Artino! Divisoria! Divisoria!
Labang PE pa ang Gion.
We're going to Divisoria. What are we gonna do in Divisoria? Ano?
You get that.
Lakas mo. Buy a toy for your birthday.
Happy birthday, Jaywa!
Choose your own toy, okay?
Request po yan ni Kuya Dylan. Isa sa mga request niya sa birthday niya. Gusto niya. Ay, meron kang toy from your vlogs.
And then my pets too.
Yes. Yung request ni Kuya Dylan sa birthday niya na ibili siya ng toy dito sa Divisoria. Big toy. Who's excited? Ah, yes. Graduation hindi at preschool. Ah, sige na. Pabayin muna.
Baba tayo.
Yes! They didn't touch the yellow!
Gusto tayo mag-eat? Ah, okay. Saan tayo punta?
Toy!
Toy. Bibili ka toy?
Who wants to buy a toy?
Me!
Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Ayun na yung bibili natin. Andings. Toys and Flower Inc. Daming toy ah. Wow. Train sets. Cars, balls. Playing mat. Lingon. Kano yan? 360. Ah, 36 pala. Blaster shot. Mga mini swimming pool. Mini pool, salvavida. Ano to? Ito yung mga cars.
Ito my cherry.
Remote control cars.
Ano to? Remote control yan? Ano to? Mga black spoon Lego.
Mga Lego cars pala. Ang ganda. Ganyan yun.
That's a motorcycle!
How much is that? Walang price. 312.
312! Gusto ko yan!
Gusto mo yan ha? 312.
Ito yan mas ganda.
Mas maganda. Choose ka pa iba. Marami pa dyan.
Airplane.
Ito, 1620.
Ako yung drive yung airplane.
Kano yun?
Hindi ko
So, ba niya may sumasaloy ng ball mo? Kukunin mo na lang. Parang arcade.
yan.
1860. 1860. 1860.
Ang baka mas malaki yan doon.
Oh, magandang klase. Yan. Ano kayo, Sang? Ano yan?
And next to like one next.
Ano yan?
What is this?
Dito, ito mga to. Orbit spin. Ano pang kids.
Wow.
Bear, that's a polar bear.
Power ba?
Ang tawag sa kanya polar bear.
Oh my
And
gosh, she's
looks like a
flying.
pelican.
Wow.
Dun. Move. Dami pa dyan. Yan, mga balls.
My balls. Oh my god.
Wow.
That's so funny.
It's like a football.
It's like a food.
Football, yes.
Then what are you so it's happy? Oh my god! Look at that!
Family house. The toy house.
Yeah.
Pero hindi lang parang lahat meron.
Ano? Nakakita ka na ng gusto mo? Wala pa? Sige, marami pa dun oh.
Look at that. We found here. We found that.
Ilan? Ano na napili mo? Wala ito mga to. Pili mo.
Yan. Ito was ganda.
Boat?
Yeah.
Ano yan, sa water?
Yeah.
Kami pa dun.
Let's have a gun. We're gonna fight that another one. Whoa.
Ah, yun ang gusto mo?
Yeah.
Come here. Come over here.
Ang dami mong gusto ah. Hindi ko may birthday.
Ito, hindi ta. This one? This one, Dion? Dion, here?
Yeah, here. Coco. Is that cookies?
Look at you.
Yay!
Oh, it's a remote-controlled airplane. It doesn't fly ha. Sa ano lang siya ha. Sa land lang siya ha.
She's flying now. Like
No,
that
ito-
airplane. There.
Left.
Here. I see you! Engineer pala to.
And engineer. Workbench toy.
Mommy!
Yes. Ano gusto mo? Turo mo. Which one do you want? Is this what you want? Backpack?
Hindi baggage yun.
Ah.
Ito. Dito. Ano ba to?
Yung Gino, sabi.
What? What do you want?
Dami ni Dion.
Yun, tatandun natin yung sa'yo ah.
Dami ni Dion. Ito. Dami naman ni Dion.
Meron ka ng airplane eh.
Tatanggalin na natin to ah. Yan na lang. Ito na lang ah. Okay,
Yan ang
na
gusto
po.
mo.
240.
420.
220.
Ah.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Look at Dylan. Show it to the camera.
Oh. Dami ah. Picture kita.